Hello everyone and welcome to Gom at Home. Today we're preparing Vietnamese spring rolls. What's significant about Vietnamese spring rolls, of course, is the rice paper. Ito, pinaka-importante ito sa Vietnamese spring rolls. Saka what's nice about this, when you prepare it, it's translucent. So mas nakikita mo yung ingredients sa loob. We have vegetables, cucumber, meron tayong carrots. Now, with regards to mga herbs or malasa na mga greens, if you don't have cilantro, walang wansoy, you can use celery or you can use basil. So, up to you. And then we have shrimps and then meron tayong vermicelli na noodles. Sotanghon sa Tagalog. Okay, so we begin with preparing our vegetables. No? All of this have been washed. No? So, we'll cut our vegetables into small pieces. Okay, so there. At manipis lang. If you don't have a mandolin, you can just use your knife. So, pag may nasira na ganyan, tabi mo lang. And after that, this way naman, pahaba. Kalahati lang, para hindi masyadong mataas. Yun. So from here, konti-konti lang yung putol, manipis lang. Ano, maliit lang. Yun. Then, maganda use the hard part. Yung gitna, huwag mo nang gamitin. And we can put it on the side. Okay? Just that one. And then, susunod na natin yung carrots. Sabi nga ng iba, carrots. Okay. Peel it. Light lang. Kasi yung skin ng carrots talagang manipis lang to. So, ganun din. We'll get the big part of the carrots. Putulin natin siya. Yan. Manipis lang. Okay. Sarap. Very fresh. So, yung carrots naman, ganun din. Pino rin yung pagputol sa kanya. Ano? Yun. Alright. Okay. Next naman na ipiprepare natin, itong shrimps. So what you do, simple lang, tanggalin natin yung ulo, tapos tanggalin din natin yung mga shell. And just like that, just peel it off. Dahan-dahan sa pag-peel ng, shrimps. Once ma-peel na siya, kuha ka lang ng matalas na knife, and then just cut it in half. Yun. And then para siyang iba butterfly. Okay, there you go. So, ganun lang kasimple. Tapos meron siyang veins dito. Pag makita nyo yung veins, tanggalin nyo lang. See that dark part? Yan, veins yan. Okay. Ito ngayon, lalagyan natin sa likod ng spring rolls natin, yung sa rice paper. Para pagbalot natin, may kita mo yung shrimps. Okay? So, we're done with the shrimps. Next, hugas ang kamay. So, next natin in line is our vermicelli. Ito yung sotanghon. Yun, rice noodles. Yung mabilis lang to. So, lutuin lang natin siya sa kumukulong tubig. In about 1 minute, luto kagad to. Hanguin natin siya. So, luto na itong sotanghon natin. Kukunin na natin siya, hanguin natin. So, lagyan na sa bowl. Yan, dyan ka lang. Okay, there you go. Ito, gamitin natin. Alright, at this point, ang gagawin natin, prepare natin itong celery. So once set na lahat, ang next natin, yung star of the show, syempre, is the Vietnamese rice paper. Ito. Bababad na natin siya in about a minute sa warm water. Yan. Makikita mo siya dito. Tapos lalambot na yan. Pag lumambot na siya, we can start preparing our ingredients. Yun. Lagyan natin dito sa plato. And then we can start building our spring roll. Yan. Lagyan natin yung mga veggies natin. So yung mga vegetables, depende kung ano yung available in season, no? Iba ginagamit wansoy. Pag wala kang wansoy, you can use basil leaves. Pag wala kang basil leaves, you can use celery, no? So it really depends on what is available sa market. Ito, huwag niyong kalimutan, no? Yan yung vermicelli. Yan. Sa loob siya. Ganun. So once you have that, next naman ilalagay natin yung shrimp. So dapat yung shrimp naka-face sa labas. So that once matapos natin balutin itong mga to, lumalabas yung shrimp. Makikita nila yung laman ng spring roll. And so, just turn it and then yung sides, itaknin natin. Yun. Stack it in on the side. Yun. I-fold natin siya. Yun. Nice. And then continue rolling it. So, andyan na ang ating Vietnamese spring roll. Easy, no? Ang dali lang, oh. So, we'll make a few. Ganun ulit yung proseso. Lagay lang yung ating rice paper sa warm water. In less than a minute, malambot ka agad ito. Once lumambot na siya, ganyan, ilagay ka agad sa plate. And then, put the veggies in. Ayan. Carrots natin. Put it there. Nice. And then some cucumber. Sarap ng cucumber, no? Very light, very fresh. And then, yung sotanghon. Kaya may sotanghon siya. Yun. Yung shrimps. Beautiful. Nice. Balot na natin. Tuck it in. And then, on the side, fold it. On the other side, fold it. And then, just continue rolling it. There you go. Easy, easy. Nice. Next. Sige. Okay. Beauty. Saan pa nag-originate itong Vietnamese spring rolls? Ito, marami nagsasabi na ito raw Vietnamese spring rolls. Nag-originate to most likely sa China daw. Magaang, madaling-dalin, hindi nasisira kaagad. So, konti lang pero mabubusog ka na kaagad. Ang daling i-prepare, mabilis. So, Vietnamese spring rolls became very famous, no? Worldwide. So, naging talaga isa sa mga pinakasikat na dishes ng Vietnam sa mga Vietnamese restaurants, itong spring rolls. Okay. So, let's continue rolling this. There. Yun. See that? So, at this point naman, nagawa natin yung spring rolls natin. Gagawa naman tayo ng sauce. Yung isa, matamis, peanut butter sauce. And then the other one, vinegar lang. Ayan ng peanut butter. And then, we put in konting toyo. Pampabalance sa saltiness. And then, lagyan natin ng sesame oil. Yun. Okay? Tapos, parang medyo tamis ng konti. Lagyan natin ng honey. There you go. That's good. I love you, honey. And then, little water. Hot water. No water, but 1, 2, 3 yan. Para medyo mag-liquefy yung sauce natin. So once nandiyan yung mga ingredients natin, all you have to do is just mix it. No? Careful lang para hindi tumulo, para hindi mag-splash. Pag medyo, makita nyo na medyo buo pa siya na gano'n, dapat dagdagan pa natin ng water. Ito yung ginamit natin kayo ng hot water nung pinakulo natin yun, sutanghon natin. Okay, just like that. So makita nyo, very pasty pa siya, di ba? So you want this na medyo liquefied. Konti pa. Okay. The more water na i-add mo, mas tumatabang yung sauce. Once it's mixed well, break tayo. We'll try this. Okay. Good. We'll add a little honey. Although peanut butter siya, but basically yung peanut butter, medyo salty yung peanuts, no? And then meron ka pang soy sauce, so we'll put more honey. Yun. Just to balance yung saltiness. Yan na. Let's try it again. Good. So, ito nalagyan. Ito yung dipping sauce natin para sa Vietnamese spring roll. Nice. This out. Next naman, gawin natin simpleng garlic, vinegar, at saka sili na sauce. So again, yung natutunan ko dito sa Go at Home through our viewers, nagtanong ako one time, ano ba yung magandang paraan para matanggal yung amoy ng garlic dun sa kamay pag gumagawa ka ng garlic, di ba? Sabi nila, every time maghuhugas ka ng utensils mo o kaya ng knife mo na stainless, i-rub mo lang yung kamay mo dun at mawawala na yung smell ng garlic. True enough. Nung sinubukan ko, sabi ko, wow, totoo pala yun. Next, ito na, yung chili natin. Napakaanghang nito. So please, ingat kayo lagi, ha? When you handle mga sili, ayan, hugas talaga ng kamay. Okay, tapos do not rub your eyes. Nakaw! Sus. Yan, lagyan natin ng suka. There. Yun. And then, pwede lagyan ng konting pepper. Okay, then we'll mix it. Alright. So, set up na natin itong plate natin. Let me just clean my chopping board. There you go. Siyempre, hindi pa ako tapos dyan. Meron pa tayong peanuts. Yan. So, yung peanuts, talagay ko lang sa ibabaw ng peanut sauce natin. Yan. to make our food look good. Yum. All right. Here you go. Our Vietnamese spring rolls. Ngayon naman, tikman natin tong spring rolls natin. We'll try it first sa peanut sauce. Ooh, there you go. Sarap. It's so fresh, mga veggies. Sarap ka, very fresh. Make sure do not double dip ha, para kung meron kayong kasama, hindi kayo maano, yung bacteria sa saliva niyo, hindi mapupunta doon. Pero since ako lang mag-isa, okay lang ako. Kasi akin lang to. Next naman, we'll try the vinegar sauce. Wow. Sarap yan. The vinegar sauce needs a little salt. Okay. Isa pa. Balik ako sa peanut sauce. I think mas gusto ko yung peanut sauce kaysa sa chili vinegar. Champion! Well, tayo na ano, buko juice natin. Pas! Lamia, oy! Well, try this in your own home. It's so easy to make this Vietnamese spring rolls. Ang dali niyang i-assemble. The ingredients are very easy to find in your market. Do it at home, then leave me a comment. Please like, subscribe, and press on the notification bell in our YouTube page. Okay? So thank you so much for joining me right here in Goma at Home. I'm Richard Gomez. I'll see you soon. Okay? Sarap! Come on! Go! 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 Gawin niyo na to. Go! Do this! Bye!